Automatic high-speed fully servo blister packaging machines and high-speed, fully automatic cartoning lines are core equipment in the pharmaceutical, food, cosmetics, and personal care product packaging industries. They combine the high-speed heat sealing of blister packaging machines with high-precision control via a fully servo system, high-precision camera detection for rejecting defective products, and high-speed automatic cartoning. This machine offers advantages such as time and labor savings, high efficiency, and stable performance. High-speed fully servo blister packaging machines softens rigid PVC sheets by heating and then presses them into a flat mold under compressed air to form a rigid, uniform blister pack. The blister pack and aluminum foil are then wound and sealed between heat sealing rollers and analox rollers. This design achieves a smaller contact area, higher pressure, excellent sealing effect, and higher speed. Each station of the machine, such as traction, forming, heat sealing, and punching, is driven by an independent servo motor. Multi-axis synchronous linkage is achieved through a PLC or motion controller, ensuring precise step control and eliminating cumulative errors. Automatic high-speed cartoning machine is a high-performance product that integrates electromechanical, gas, and light based on foreign advanced equipment introduction. It meets GMP requirements. The machine is a continuous operation, automatic box opening, leaflets automatic folding, 1 to 4 folds, printing batch number sealing, detection and other functions, can also be equipped with hot melt adhesive device. We can customize fully automatic blister packaging and cartoning machine linkage lines according to customer packaging needs. This linkage line can also be integrated with labeling machines, cellophane wrapping machines, heat shrink wrapping machines, and case packer machines for coordinated production. Please contact us if interested.